Welcome to Pasta Fazool. Hey, when was the last time you guys had a really good tasting pasta? Kind of a little bit hot, spicy, not too spicy, but just right, you know? So, by the way, you fell into Pasta Fazool pit today, so don't go nowhere, stick around, sit down, relax, get yourself a nice glass of wine, because today I'm going to show you a classic you're going to love. It's called Penne Arabbiate, so be right back. You're going to have a great time. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go right in it. You know, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna use. We're gonna use Reggiano Parmigiano, some red chili, hot peppers, some beautiful tomatoes I picked up today at the store. Every time I see these things over here, I can't help myself. I have to make some fresh tomatoes, tomato sauce. So, all right, and some beautiful garlic. Love garlic. Can't go nowhere without garlic. Some salt, and let's get it started. First of all, let's turn this on and get some water boiling over here. And get some olive oil. This plate needs a lot of olive oil. So don't worry about it. Okay. First thing, put some garlic, fresh garlic. Did I say first thing like 5 times already? That's me. Alright, some fresh garlic. Now the garlic I'm not gonna throw right into the sauce. I'm just gonna cut it up like this, throw it right in, big pieces. I want to be able to take that out later on because I don't want the actual garlic in there. I just want to infuse that beautiful olive oil with garlic. So okay, and tomato, beautiful tomatoes. We got some beautiful fresh tomato sauce today. Just cut them up in 4. So this, don't throw this away. This, smells like tomatoes. I love it. Throw it right in there. It's going to give a beautiful taste. That tomato sauce. Now, 10 tomatoes. Make sure you get the ripe tomatoes, the ripest you can find. It's going to make some beautiful red tomatoes. Oh, by the way, if you want like a really good taste, what I like to do too, I like to get a piece of this Reggiano over here. Just cut a piece down like this, right? Throw it right inside over here. At the end, when all the tomato sauce is done, I take that out, cut it in a piece of bread, and the best. Call me nuts. Call me crazy. Anyway, yeah, let's get this going. As soon as I get that garlic paste, I smell, we're throwing this beautiful tomatoes in there. We're going to make this beautiful tomato sauce. That's going to go with the pasta. And the pasta today, we're going to use, I don't know, what should I use? Barilla, the Checo, they're both fantastic. Barilla, okay. We'll go for the Barilla today. Great pasta. And by the way, when you get the penne, make sure you get the lisce penne, the ones that are not rigati, you know, because when you're making this dish, you need the nice lisce. Yeah, you don't need that rigati. You don't need to have that tomato get stuck with the actual pasta, because with this, it's going to be enough tomato for the pasta. We have the water boiling already, and we got this going. But this is going to go really fast. I mean, it's going to go really fast. Yeah, about half a pound. Yeah, that's good. That should be it. Okay, get this going. Say about, what's it say over here? Oh, it says 10 minutes. You know what? We're going to cook it for 8 minutes. Run it al dente. Always cook it 2 minutes less. You want that pasta to come out really nice. Don't forget the salt. There's a salt in there to make it nice and tasty. Okay. Okay. If the cheese starts cooking a lot, pull it out, put it over there. Just infuse it inside that olive oil. And smell it. Ah, Of course not, you can't smell it. But this is done its job only, right? The garlic, all the garlic and everything else. And we'll take it out and to smell that garlic. Alrighty? That's all we need. We only need the taste of the garlic when we're making this pasta. Because the chili and the Parmesan is what we're really gonna make this dish. Smell that, beautiful. So we have tomatoes in there now. More tomatoes. Once we got this going, tomatoes are cooking nice. Pasta is getting there. Got about, let's say about 4 minutes to go. I'm gonna put some pepper in there, some hot pepper. Not too much now. I like it hot because the name of this plate is called Penne Arabbiate, which means angry pasta, angry penne. We got some serrano peppers also. I love these too. For this pasta. We're gonna give it about, I say about 15 minutes. Let this tomato sauce. A little more water in there. Put some water in there. Just cook it up. And give it 15 minutes. And I'll show you what's next. Oh, by the way, guys, if you got some time, hit that button on the side that says subscribe. Give me a couple of thumbs up, 1, 2, whatever. And I'll see you right back. All right, see you right there. Okay, so let's see how this tomato sauce came out. It's beautiful. Give it a little taste. Need a little salt. A little bit of salt. Salt. It's got the right taste with the chili. You don't want it too hot. I know it's called arrabbiata, but let's not make it too arrabbiata now, okay? Otherwise, everybody will be running. Drinking a lot of wine, so. But, yeah, I mean, do it to your taste, whatever you like, If you like a lot of chili, go ahead, Perfect. Now, the pasta looks like it's, yep, it's perfect. I'm going to throw that right in there. All the pasta. Parmesan in there. There you go. There you go. Parmesan. Something's missing though. We have to give it a little bit of color. What can we put in there? Camera lady, what should we put in there? About some parsley.
Parsley. Yeah. I was gonna say that.
Yeah. I knew you were gonna say it. I knew you were gonna say it. I said it before you did. This is just to give it a little bit of that nice smell of the garden. And of course, it gives it this beautiful color. And now we're going to give it a little flip. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can you hear that sound? Can you hear that sound? Whack, whack, look. I think it's almost ready. Okay. Now this is the classic Penne Arrabbiato. I'm going to give it a taste now. And then we're going to make a little salad for this because it kind of freshens you up while you're eating this a little hot. You get a little bit of salad. It's nice, just that. Nice. I'm going to put a little salt. Just I won't put any pepper in this. I won't need any pepper in this. Nice. Just perfect. Let's get this pasta over here. Put it on the side. Meanwhile, I'm going to start making a salad. Throw a little bit more Parmesan on top of there. Parmesan. That's wonderful. Oh, wow. I tell you. We used to get this every time with me and my cousins in Italy. Every time we went to a restaurant in Italy, this would be one of our favorite plates to get. Penne Arrabbiate. It's very classic. Very good, delicious. Okay, now we're going to make a salad for this. Small salad. And go along with that. We're going to get some radicchio, some radishes, and the stock. don't throw this away. This is great for inside the salads. Just put this together with the salads. Okay, I'm gonna chop this up, throw it in here, throw that out. Nice. Okay. This is fennel, some places known as anise. The stock is also good. What I do sometimes with the stock, I like to use the inside of the stock, take the hard stuff out, use this in the salad as well, and the actual anise. This has got a really nice, kind of a minty taste, you know. I love it raw. You can cook this. You can make a tea out of that. It's just fantastic in salads. I love it. The stock. It's also really good and delicious. Sweet. All right, that's enough. And some green leaf tomatoes. Lettuce. So you're gonna put some radishes in there, and then we'll make a nice little dressing for this. Some olive oil, some lemon. Lemon! We have no lemon! Where's our lemon there, young lady? Mi porti il limone, per favore? Let's make it nice. Thank you, camera lady. You know, if you want to give like a really good taste of that lemon, you can get a little bit of that zest in there too. Just a little bit, not too much. Then you cut this lemon, put a little lemon juice in there. Nice, not too much. Okay. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And a little bit of salt. That's all you need. I use my hands for everything. Get this salad going. And that's for today. Video is gonna do the Penne Arabbiate. And this beautiful fresh garden salad. Perfect, they both go perfectly together. Hey, you know what? I think I got a bottle of wine in the refrigerator. You have a bottle of wine in the refrigerator? Yeah. Yeah, what do we have? Yes. Well, get it in here, lady. We're gonna have a little chin chin. And you have a bottle wine opener? Let's get that bottle wine opener too, huh? How are we going to open it otherwise? Oh, you got the glass. How about the bada bing, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you forgot that, huh?
That too, yeah.
Say hello to the people over there. Say, hey there.
Hello.
What do we have? Ooh, we have Rufino Chianti. Ooh, nice taste, lady. Nice. I like that. So we're going to open this up now, and we're going to have a little chin chin. We're going to open up this beautiful bottle of wine. I almost forgot. How can I forget the wine? Did you guys go out and get you some wine? Don't forget the vino. It's perfect with this dish, by the way. As show, the Marina. Oh, here we go. Ooh, nice and cold. Like it. Oh yeah. Bello. Marron. Fino. I always love this one. Well, lady, you gonna join me or what?
Yeah,
Okay,
I'm
let's have
coming.
this glass of wine over here.
Vengo.
Say hello, everybody. Ciao.
Hello.
Chin chin.
Everybody.
And you gonna give that a taste? Or you gonna go for the wine first?
Oh, no, doesn't
Let's go
matter.
for the wine first. Can never go wrong with Rufino, I tell you. All right. You taste the pasta? I already taste the pasta. It's fantastic.
Yeah,
And I'm just going to go for the salad. And a little bit of fennel. Vieni qua, mannaggia. Fish, that's fantastic. Taste the salad.
Very good.
How's that? Very easy to do, very simple. Give it a shot, guys. You're gonna love this pasta. You wanna make it a little spicy, you can put a little more spice, put a little more hot pepper in there. I don't put too much hot pepper in there because the kids upstairs, they love spice, but not too spicy. And you like the spice too, right? Forget the wine.
Yes.
Yeah, fantastic. That's all for today, right?
That's it.
Hey, thanks for staying a little while with us over here and try to create these old-fashioned dishes and having a good time at the same time, enjoying the food. And I'll see you next time. This is Pastor Fazool. Don't forget to subscribe over there. Right? Ciao. Facciamo tutto un basso di cose. Andrea, te aiuto. Antonia, vieni qua, facciamo un basso. Facciamo un brindisi, vieni qua. No, non fanno un brindisi, vieni qua. Devo venire a miss. Sì, allora va bene.
Ciao.
Allora basta.
È buono.
È buono.
Buonissimo.
Hai visto che è buono? Facciamo un brindisi.
Vabbè. Salute.
This is my camera lady, by the way.
Salute.
My daughter. Ciao, ciao a tutti.
Ciao.
Salute. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.